Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. Did you know that you can now easily set a custom ringtone on iOS 26 or higher on all your compatible devices without a computer on device and without GarageBand or other softwares? First of all, simply get the file using Safari, then go to the Files app, then go to Downloads and you will find the file right here. You can simply open it first, then hit this Share button below. Then hit on More and you will find this option to use it as a ringtone. Select it and it will be set as a ringtone. You can simply go back. Now you can easily test it by using this slider. Similarly, you can change the text tone. Simply hit it, scroll all the way down and you will find your ringtone under ringtones. You can simply select it and it will start to play for you to test. You can go back and set ringtones for all the other alerts as well. The process is same. Select it, scroll all the way down and select your custom ringtone. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.